Hello, it's Leigh here. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do today the Makers Collage Prompts 23. So I'm a member of a Facebook group called Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists, organised by Patricia and Mariah from PM Artist Studio. So they've got a challenge going for March, so it's a collage challenge, and there's a list of prompts you need to use. So the prompts are something green, something springy, threads or fabric, a receipt, washi tape, and the bonus is something with holes. So I'm going to just with what's on my desk come up with something, and I have cleaned my desk off, but everything's just in a pile, which you can see here. Right there. So what I did when I was looking at the prompts was I found a plastic bag full of old, not old, but you know, just little watercolour paintings and some little abstracts that I'd done. So I was looking through these and I thought I might use one of these as my focal point. They're springy looking and they've also got green on them. Some of them obviously too big, but I forgot all about these, and some of these I absolutely love. But I don't mind that one. Not so much this one. That one I love. This is another one that I really like. Make up your own mind which way that goes. This one I really like it as well. And these are done with mixed media, so acrylic paints and inks mainly. That's a nice bright one. That's a nice one. But I think, is this it? That's one of my favourites. I just love this, and I can't remember what made those marks. But it would have been something, I don't know, I just can't think what it was. It would have been something in my toolbox of paintbrushes and things. But I had fun, and I was doing, it was an online course by Tracy Verdugo, who is an Australian artist. So that's my very favourite one. When I look at that, I see a tree and a riverbank, and that white to me is like a fishing, like someone's fly fishing or something, or that's what it suggests to me anyway. I love that. I don't mind that one either, or that one. And then I've got just some little swatches here that I've stamped on, and some more springy looking flowers. And some pink swatches, so I need to make up my mind what I'm going to use. So it'll be something from that pile, plus whatever's on my desk there, and I have to find a receipt. Well, I've decided I'm going to use this as my focal point, and I think I'll just tear it out a bit. So what I'm going to do is just stick down some things here from my pile. So something green, I've got this, which is a piece of a gel print. Just going to tear the blue edges off. Actually, I might leave that blue edge there, but get rid of the other stuff. And I'm just going to glue it down. Not going to worry about formulating any plan, except for having those flowers as my focal point. So thanks for being with me here today for a few minutes. I hope you get something out of this little video, and I hope you've been well and have been able to be creative. This is a receipt. I'm just going to glue a strip of that on here. So I'm going to leave that blue showing. So I might put a little bit more of this. It's a greeny bluish colour. It's been what do you call it? Embossed. Put through an embossing folder. And Here's something else a little bit green. Maybe I might just put a bit more of this receipt in. I might as well use the whole receipt up. So I'll put this bit in here. No, let's go that way. Who said you have to see the writing? Right? Nobody said that, did they? I'm going to put it that way. And my washi tape is, this is out of Daphne's diary. I never use the things out of that. So I thought today I will. Got one little bit of receipt left. I'll find a place for that to go. Oh, I'll just put that there. Got some green thread. I have an idea what I'm going to do with that. Okay, now with this one, I'm going to tear that side off and tear off this bit here. I want to leave the green leaves showing. So that's going to be my focal point. I'm going to put that there. Stop sticking to my fingers. What else do I need to put in there? Something green, something springy, threads or fabric, a receipt, and washi tape. So I'll find a place for the washi tape. There's not too much on here that I like. I don't mind this. So I'm going to put a bit of that in there. This is actually quite springy. And might as well use a bit more of it. If I put it to the side, it's never going to get used. So I'm going to do that. What else? There's birds on here. Well, I might just pull some of the birds off. And where's this going to go? Okay, so I'll put a bit of bird washi tape there. Going to be a bit of a mishmash, this thing. No, I'm not putting that there. I'll put a bit of this blue instead. Just there like that. That'll do. Okay. Not 100% happy with the colour of that thread. And I need to put something there. What else have I got on my desk? Bit of music paper. Did everybody watch the video hop? It was awesome. There wasn't that many people in it this month, but everybody's work was beautiful, really beautiful. And if you haven't seen my video, there's a link up in the top right hand corner, so you can have a look at that if you would like. Now this has been hanging around on my desk forever and a day, so it's going into this. So that can go there, just because. I've finished with those things. I'm having second thoughts about this thing now, and I'm wondering whether maybe this little line-up of birds would be better. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm going to fill in those. What am I going to do? I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this out, and then I think I'll have to fill in those couple of gaps on the paper. This is on watercolour paper, it's quite thick. Yeah, I think they look nice on there. So I'm going to put a bit more of just collage in those gaps. And just look for something on here. So that's writing, I like that. Actually, you can use that in 2 different places. And I've just got that one little gap. I might actually put that there. Nice and bright. Do I need to do anything down the bottom here? I feel like it's missing something. What else is on here? I'm going to strip of that maybe. Oh, here we go. I like this. I like this paper. I don't know where it came from. It is a digital kit, part of a digital kit, but I have no idea who the shop name was that I bought it from. Do I put that all the way along? Like that? I think I will. Let's have a look at these birds. Do they stand out enough? Do they need something behind them? I think maybe if I just go around the edge. So I've got a Stabilo pencil here. Go around with that. So if you want to join the Facebook group, it's called Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists, and you just got some questions that you need to answer. And they're just, you know, your normal easy sort of questions. And yeah, it's a wonderful community. There's so many talented people. Mariah and Patricia and their channel, PM Artist Studio, they've really been instrumental in me getting myself into experimenting with different arts, different medias, and trying new techniques, and jelly printing. Like, I really had no idea what to do with a gel plate, and my gel prints always turned out really horrible. But since I've been watching them, the tips that they have are just amazing, and the experiments they do are wonderful. I sort of feel that they're lost in that, as if they need something to sit on. What's this? A piece of coffee paper. I'm just going to try something. I think I'll put them on a piece of coffee dye paper like that, but not that thick, not that wide I should say. What am I doing? I need to tear a bit off and make it narrower. So I only want to take about 1/2 inch off it, 1/2 to 3/4, maybe nearly the width of the ruler. So I like that darker side, like that, and then I want the heads What does that look like? I'm not sure about this. I think I shouldn't have made it narrower. I should have left it wide. I think it looks better. Yeah, I'm going to use this piece instead. So my scrap pile is actually getting bigger because I'm making smaller scraps out of my bigger ones, which wasn't what I wanted to do. I was trying to reduce the amount of scraps on my desk. So I think that will look alright, and they can go there. Now the thread, I'm not happy with the green now. I'm going to get a different colour. So I've got pink and yellow. Let's see, maroon and blue. Bright orange, fluoro, and grey and white and black and brown. Oh, yeah. Big decision. I think brown might be better. Let's have a look. I've sort of got an idea what I want to do with it. Yeah, I think the brown is the way to go. Okay, so I'm going to glue this down. Now I want to get a fair bit of this. And I want to put it, everything's sticking to my fingers. Something like this. Yeah, I like that, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to use art glitter glue so that I can get this spread around. So I'm just putting these dots on here, and then I'm going to use a little brush, push the thread down into the glue, and I'm hoping that it will stay there. Okay, so and then I'm going to use the art glitter to glue the birds on. So I'm going to put that on at a little bit of an angle. And I think I'll go around it with the Stabilo pencil, the birds, just a little bit. I need to sharpen my pencil. just using the moisture in the brush to activate this stabilo a little bit. Okay, now I think I'd like to do a little bit of splattering on that. So I've got my watercolour paints. We're going to use this gold here, which is my favourite, and that's why there's not much of it left. And I'm just going to, oh, that's very wet on the brush. I'm going to put some bigger blobs. There's enough in the brush to go around the edge of the page. Alright, I'm going to call that done. Just make sure I've got everything in there. So I've got something green, got my green papers, something springy is the spring birds, and it was going to be the spring flowers, but there's flowers, the washi tape itself is a bit springy looking. Threads or fabrics, I've got threads in there, I've got my receipt in 3 different places. Washi tape, something with holes, I'm not using the bonus. So that's my Makers Collage Prompt 23 hashtag. So check out the hashtag and you'll see what other people have put up on social media. So you can see that on Instagram, on Facebook if you're in the group, and if you're not, join, and also on YouTube. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love it when you leave a comment, and I like to connect with my viewers. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. I put out videos at least 3 times a week, and there's going to be something there for whatever your tastes are. So I love to do junk journaling as well as collage art. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. So thanks again for watching. Cheers from Australia. Hooroo.